Dakota, we gonna catch some bass today.
We're gonna try.
That's what I like to hear. Oh, one second. God damn it. We ain't gonna be able to pull forward either. Oh, goddamn, the whole fucking trailer's over here.
Yeah.
That ain't the problem, the goddamn
Straps.
yeah. Hey, you probably pull the truck forward. I'll pull it forward.
Yeah, pull it forward.
Yeah, I don't know how the fuck I forgot to get them. I ain't never seen a trailer float. Have you? I was sitting there wondering, I said, wonder why the damn boat ain't coming off the trailer.
How the hell you get this motherfucker off of it?
I can't really get it. I said, hell, let me back this motherfucker. I'm like, why ain't it go? That thing it did, I get the straps. I can't remember if I got the straps or not. That's quite embarrassing. Oh, no. What's going on, y'all? Travis here, Bass and Habits. Feels like a storm's about to come. The wind blowing 180 miles an hour. But if y'all didn't see that at the ramp this morning, got talking about fishing Dakota. Me and Dakota ain't fished in a while. Just talking, not paying attention or nothing. Didn't take the straps off the boat. Went back to the boat in the water. Boat wouldn't come off the trailer. I'm back here mashing the gas on the motor, everything, nothing will happen. The trailer started floating. It got wedged up under the dock, everything else. Yeah. So I had to push the trailer over. Got soaking ass wet. Got the boat where we could pull it up. Got the straps off, but now we're in the water, ready to go, waiting on Dakota to get down. He's parking the truck. I ain't never in my life had nothing exciting happen that early in the morning. It's always something. That's why you stay tuned and subscribe to Bass and Habits, because we're always doing dumb stuff like this. So, let's see if we can go hit some of these 5-foot waves out here and catch a bass. Got me one. Yeah, I caught that one, don't you? You haven't been fishing it fast? I stopped it and ate it.
I want an otter.
Otter?
Yeah, right there. Just went down.
Number one on a little jerk bait.
Oh, there he is, right there.
Number two on the old jerk and snatch. Ow! That's a large head right here. Well, he ain't too large, but he's a head. That's how you know they like it. Get right in the roof of their mouth. I did some dental work to him. Come to old daggum pliers out on him. Catch one yet?
No, got a big old knot in my line though.
And bye-bye. He ain't big as I thought he was. What is that, a skipjack?
It is. He smacked it though.
Huh.
That's a big old skipjack too.
Well, now I know what I've been looking at on the graph. Crappie.
Yeah.
Well, a good crappie too.
It is a good crappie. No, it's a stripe.
A stripe on a Ned rig. I ain't never in my life. Well, you can't say you didn't catch nothing today.
I thought it was a crappie.
I don't know what it was. Could have got him one. A little spot daddy on the Ned rig. You're proud of that one, ain't you?
Ink factory.
Hey, if we can control what bit, we'll be rich. Does you? That gummit, motherfucker wrapped me around the trolling motor and got off. Motherfucker.
That looked like a decent one.
Pull like a decent one. I'm mad now. Damn trolling motor cost me a fish. Oh, jerkbaits do work, don't they?
He smacked it.
That's your first cast with too.
Yeah.
Don't get that one. You can have this one.
Like I said, I don't even know how to use it.
Clearly, you know how to use it better than I do. They had a battle mine in a hot minute. Oh, made a circle, didn't you? They better make a circle like you made.
What the hell is a little dink like this out here in this big water like that?
Had him. A little dark looking thing, wasn't it? Oh, daggum. What? 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 Jerkbait bigger than he is. Oh!
That was a decent one.
No! That Mother Nature's got the fans on 150 right now. It started raining on us. But we ain't giving up. We think we done got something figured out, but we really don't. But we're gonna go with thinking that we got something figured out.
We're gonna try.
We're gonna go try it. Alright, we just got our ass soaked. A little run cold. Cooling off as we speak. But our idea is we got a little jerkbait and throwing around grass and wood and everything, we're getting bites. So now we done found some grass and some wood. And we ain't gonna get no bites on it, but we're gonna damn sure try it. I want to go flipping, but yet again, like I said, it's free. So I don't know if they're in the grass or not. We can go try that before we leave. That's my daggone flipping fish. Put it back. Well, now you've caught the right species on a Ned rig.
Well, that's the second one I caught on the Ned rig. Second spot.
Well, I just flipped one in the boat and got Dakota hung up. I don't even know where my damn lure is. I was in you. And there's a little thing over in a tree. Everything's happening at once. Hold on. Oh, God. All right. Last stop of the day. It's getting colder as the day moves on. Flipping bite. Look, I'm telling y'all, I got my feelings hurt flipping. Had a flipped in there. Boom, set the hook, line broke, and then we saw jump over there in the grass. It's about a 3-4 pounder. Missed it. Heartbreaking. I don't know what to do. It's cold. Fish ain't really biting. Alright, well, that was a fishing trip. Started off bad, not getting straps off the boat. About falling in the water. Had a good time. Dakota caught a fish. Caught a stripe with a Ned rig.
A Ned rig.
Never in my life. I missed that big one flipping. I know I didn't get on video, but it was 3-4 pounder. We don't know really, but it's a big one. But tried everything. It's getting cold. I don't know what happened. It was warm this morning. Now it's cold. The water temp's 65, so you think they'll be biting, but I don't know. We're gonna try again next weekend. So y'all prepare for that video, and we're gonna get on out of here. See y'all next time.